Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I must say, cryptos are doing extremely well nowadays, doing much better than the stock markets all over the world. So maybe next week I will come out with one video on crypto. Today the markets were very volatile, but within a small range. For the last 10 days, or even for the last 1 month, one simple trade is working very well. As soon as the market open, you sell, and the closing time you square it off. And Nifty open higher, close lower. This has happened 9 out of last 10 trading sessions. And in fact, in the last 20-25 trading sessions, most of the time this is what has happened. Especially you do this when two conditions are met. One, the previous day FII selling was huge, and second, Nifty opening better than what SGX Nifty indicated. And today both worked out. Yesterday FIIs have sold for 1500 crore, and today Nifty opened much higher than what SGX Nifty indicated. And you shorted, and market has given almost 100-point fall, intraday fall came. Today, though markets were very volatile, but it was within a small range. So I was just joking in my social media, FII is selling when Nifty goes to 17,200, DII is buying when Nifty goes to 17,150. So this alternate buying and selling make a market to move both the sides too many times. However, what retail people do, when it comes to close to 17,150, the people will buy the put option. When it goes to close to 17,200, they will buy the call option, and they would have lost both. First, let us look at some positives today. Number one, yesterday Nifty was up more than 100 points, but still half of the Nifty 50 stocks were in negative. So it was clearly few large cap stocks, particularly Reliance, which shot up, that took the market higher. But today, though Nifty only 40-50 point higher, is just half of what yesterday, but still today most of the stocks were higher. At some point of time I have seen about 45 stocks in Nifty 50 was higher. So today, the buying is happening across the board. Mid cap, small cap, next 50, so everything. And I think today all the sectors ended in green. So that is some first positive point. And second positive point, for a second straight day, Nifty closed in green. Yesterday Nifty up about 110 points, and today it is up 40-50 points. So two continuous days of green closing. Also that is something very positive. And number three, the VIX continued to fall. Of course, that's not a big deal. So in our market, even when market goes down, also VIX goes down. And number four, Bank Nifty is technically long now. I follow certain technicals. As per that technicals, Bank Nifty is long. And number five, and most important, most interesting thing today, FIIs did not sell. Then don't know why market was going up down so many times. Today FIIs did not sell, they have bought for 61 crore. So these are all the positive things. But does it mean that everything is positive? Of course not. There are many negatives also. So now I will list one by one. Number one, Nifty, despite making a bigger move yesterday as well as today, but still Nifty is below Friday's high. So last Friday's high was not taken out on a closing basis. I don't know about intraday, but on a closing basis, it did not take. So that's one thing. Second thing, IT index is looking ultra bearish. And look at the Infosys. Today, it went to 1382, whereas 1355 is the 52-week low. Just 25-27 rupees away from 52-week low. So because of this US banking crisis, the people say IT performance may not be good going forward. I think there are some brokerages are also downgrading the IT stocks. So that's the second one. The third one, though Bank Nifty is technically long, but today's price action is not very convincing. Why? Today market is up, Bank Nifty is up, but despite that HDFC Bank is down, Kotak Bank is down, Axis Bank is down. So these are the 3 out of the top 4 private sector banks. So imagine 3 out of the top 4 private sector banks falling. And not only that, the State Bank is also down. That is a top PSU bank. So it's only other smaller banks have done well, so made the Bank Nifty to close in positive, but whereas the key banks were all negative. And then fourth one, today though market sentiment was positive, but since morning both HDFC Bank and HDFC, that is HDFC twins, were in selling spree only. So they were not doing well. And last but not least, though technically Bank Nifty is long, Nifty is still not long. So Nifty technically becoming long only if it crosses 17,200 on the higher side. I am talking about the spot, not the future. And however, today the Nifty future, the premium has come down very much. In the beginning of this month, I think the Nifty future was about 100 point premium. Now it has come to about 40 points. So that will be, this contraction in the premium will incentivize the short sellers to square up their shorts. So that's a positive news. Let us see what happens, but we must be happy that, from the recent low of 16,828, so we have recovered so much, and we still have tomorrow 1 day, next week 4 days only. So we have 5 more trading sessions. So Nifty is not likely to go back to 16,800. Of course, anything can happen, but barring unforeseen circumstances, Nifty is not likely to go back to 16,800. So as I told you already, I am selling 16,700 and below puts when the market falls. Market goes higher, I am selling 17,300 and above calls. So tomorrow it all depends upon US markets, Fed outcome, and US markets reaction for the Fed outcome. So that we will see tomorrow. Looking at the open interest, today even 17,150 put option added more open interest. So 17,150, 17,100, 17,000 put option all added good amount of open interest. And the call side 17,250, 17,300, etc. So which means that people are expecting maybe 17,000 to 17,300 maximum. So that is a kind of weekly expiry people are looking at tomorrow. So as long as this Fed event is becoming a non-event, and tomorrow we are not likely to make a bigger gap up or gap down, so these people they can put a stop loss. Looking at the Bank Nifty, so people are taking 40,000 short straddle in huge quantities today. So they are taking the risk, and they think that tomorrow market will open flat, like 50-60 point plus minus, still they will make some profit. So we will see whether tomorrow we are going to open flat or we are going to make a big gap up or gap down. So the answer only Jerome Powell knows. So tonight we will see. Tonight at 11:30 the Fed announcement will come. But today Fed announcement is not at all important. And after that, so the Fed chairman will be speaking. So what he is going to speak? Whether he is going to speak dovishly or hawkishly, or any indication for Fed pivot, etc., etc. So anyway, those things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.